ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः। श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच ये शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विताः तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्णा सत्त्वमाहो रजस्तमः। अर्जुनः अर्जुन उवाच said, ye, those who shastra vidhim, scriptural injunctions, utsrijya, neglecting, yajante, worship or perform sacrifice, shraddhaya, with faith, anvitaha, endowed, tesham, of them, nishtha, faith or situation, tu, but, ka, what is, Krishna, O Krishna, Sattvam, Sattva or the mode of goodness, Aho or Rajaha, Rajas or the mode of passion, Tamaha, Tamas or the mode of ignorance. Shri Bhagavanuvacha त्रिविधा भवति श्रद्धा देहिनां सा स्वभावजा सात्विकी राजसी चैव तामसी चेति तां शृणु। Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, the Supreme Lord said, three vidha, kinds of, bhavati is shraddha, faith, dehinam, of the embodied beings, sa, that, swabhava, one's inherent nature, ja, born of, satviki, of sattva, rajasi, of rajas, cha, and eva, verily, tamasi, of tamas, cha, and iti, thus, tam, about that, shrunu, hear. सत्त्वानुरूपा सर्वस्य श्रद्धा भवति भारत। श्रद्धामयोऽयं पुरुषो यो यच्छ्रद्धः स एव सः। Sattva, the existence or the nature of one's mind, anurupa, in accordance with, sarvasya, of each one, shraddha, faith, bhavati, is, Bharata, O Arjuna, the descendant of Bharata, Shraddha, faith, Mayaha, endowed with, Ayam, that, Purushaha, man or being, Yaha, whatever, Yat, having which, Shraddhaha, faith, Saha, that, Eva, verily, Saha, he is. An individual's faith is a reflection of his nature, which is formed by impressions carried forward from his earlier lives. The earnest seeker can attain God by carefully adhering to the scriptural mandates. However, some sadhakas do not know the scriptures but still lead their lives righteously, indulging in service and sacrifice with noble intentions. Arjuna asked, "O Krishna, what is the situation of those who neglect the scriptural injunctions but still worship with faith? Are they in sattva or rajas or tamas?" The Supreme Lord said, "The faith of the embodied beings can be of three kinds, born of one's inherent nature, sattvic, rajasic or tamasic. Now hear about this from me. O descendant of Bharata, the faith of each one is in accordance with the nature of one's mind. All beings are endowed with faith, and whatever the type of faith one has, that is verily what he is." Arjuna uvacha ye shastra vidhimutsrujya yajante shraddhayanvitaha teshan nishtha tu ka Krishna sattvamaho rajastamaha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Trividha bhavati shraddha Dehinam sa svabhavaja Satviki rajasi chaiva Tamasi cheti tam shrunu. Sattvanurupa sarvasya Shraddha bhavati bharata Shraddha mayoyam purusho Yo yachraddhasa eva saha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Saptadashodhyayaha Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yogaha. Arjuna uvacha ye shastra vidhimutsrujya yajante shraddhayanvitaha teshan nishtha tu ka Krishna sattvamaho rajastamaha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Trividha bhavati shraddha Dehinam sa svabhavaja Satviki rajasi chaiva Tamasi cheti tam shrunu. Sattvanurupa sarvasya Shraddha bhavati bharata Shraddha mayoyam purusho Yo yachraddhasa eva saha. Yajante satvika devan यक्षरक्षांसि राजसाः प्रेतान् भूतगणांश्चान्ये यजन्ते तामसा जनाः। Yajante, worship, Satvikaha, those in Sattva, Devan, gods, Yaksha, demigods, who are responsible for bestowing power, wealth, etc. Rakshamsi, demons, who embody sense pleasures, anger, etc. Rajasaha, those in Rajas. Pretan, spirits of the dead. Bhuta, ghosts. Ganan, groups of. Cha, and Anye, others. Yajante, worship. Tamasaha, those in Tamas. Janaha, persons. Ashastra-vihitam ghoram tapyante ye tapojanaah dambhahankara sanyuktaah कामरागबलान्विताः Ashastra, not by scriptures. Vihitam, enjoined. Ghoram, severe or violent. Tapyante, perform. Ye, those who. Tapaha, austerities. Janaha, persons. Dambha, pride or ostentation. Ahankara, egoism. Sanyuktaha, possessed of. Kama, desire. Raga, attachment. Bala, force of. Anvitaha, impelled by. Karshayantah sharirastham bhutagramamachetasah manchaivantah sharirastham तान् विद्यासुरनिश्चयान् कर्षयन्तः, torturing. Sharira, body. Stham, situated in. Bhuta, elements or organs. Gramam, groups of. Achetasah, indiscriminate ones. Mam, me. Cha, and. Eva, verily. Antaha, within. Sharira, body. Stham, dwelling in. Tan, them. Vidhi, no. Asura, demoniac. Nishchayan, resolves. Those filled with sattvic qualities engage in the worship of celestial gods. Those with rajasic tendencies propitiate the demigods and even demons, while the ones steeped in ignorance and of tamasic disposition are given to the worship of spirits and lower beings. Blinded by power and egotism, the ones with demoniac nature perform extreme austerities in the name of religion, torturing themselves and the Lord within. Those in Sattva worship gods, those in Rajas worship demigods and demons, and others who are in Tamas worship the spirits of the dead and the groups of ghosts. Those who perform severe austerities not enjoined by the scriptures, possessed of pride and egoism, impelled by the force of desire and attachment, thus torturing the organs in the body and me who is verily dwelling within the body, know such indiscriminate ones to be of demoniac resolve. Yajante satvika devan yaksharakshamsi rajasaha pretan bhutaganamschanye yajante tamasa janaha. Ashastra vihitam ghoram tapyante ye tapojanaha dambhahankara sanyuktaha kamaraga balanvitaha. Karshayantas sharirastham bhutagramamachetasah manchaivantas sharirastham tan vidhyasura nischayan. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Saptadashodhyayaha Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yogaha. Yajante Satvika Devan Yaksharakshamsi Rajasaha Pretan bhutaganamschanye yajante tamasa janaha. Ashastra vihitam ghoram tapyante ye tapojanaha dambhahankara sanyuktaha kamaraga balanvitaha. Karshayantas sharirastham bhutagramamachetasah manchaivantas sharirastham tan vidhyasura nischayan. Aharastvapi sarvasya trividho bhavati priyaha. Yajnastapastatha danam tesham bhedamimam shrunu. Aharaha, food. Tu, indeed. Api, even or also. Sarvasya, of all or each of them. Trividhaha, three kinds. Bhavati, there is. Priyaha, dear or liking. Yajnaha, sacrifice. Tapaha, austerity. Tatha, so also. Danam, charity. Tesham, their. Bhedam, differences. Imam, this, Shrunu, hear. Ayusattva-balarogya Sukha-priti-vivardhanaah Rasya-snigdha-sthira hridya Ahara satvika priyaah Ayuhu, duration of life or vitality. Sattva, existence or energy. Bala, strength. Arogya, health. Sukha, happiness. Preeti, kindness, satisfaction or appetite. Vivardhanaah, promote. Rasyaah, juicy. Snigdhaah, succulent or smooth. Sthiraah, nourishing or enduring, which can last long in the body. Hridyaah, pleasing to the heart. Aharaah, foods. Satvika, those in sattva. Priyaah, dear or liked by. Katvam lalavanatyushna तीक्ष्णरूक्षविदाहिनः आहाराराजसस्येष्टा दुःखशोकामयप्रदाः Katu, bitter. Amla, sour. Lavana, salty. Ati ushna, excessively hot. Tikshna, pungent. Ruksha, dry. Vidahinaha, burning. Aharaha, foods. Rajasasya, of those in Rajas. Ishtaha, dear or liked by. Dukkha, pain. Shoka, sorrow. Amaya, disease. Pradaha, productive of. Yatayamangatarasam Putiparyushitanchayat Uchishtamaphi cha medhyam Bhojanantamasappriyam Yatayamam, stale food which is cooked more than 3 hours before. Gatarasam, tasteless. Puti, putrid or stinking. Paryushitam, rotten, which has been kept for more than a night. Cha, and. Yat, which. Uchishtam, the leftover. Api, also. Cha, and. Amedhyam, impure, which is unfit for eating. Bhojanam, food. Tamasa, to those in tamas. Priyam, dear. Spiritual endeavor and general disposition are driven by the gunas, which also influence an individual's eating habits. The ones in sattva prefer fresh, nourishing foods that promote health, happiness, satisfaction and strength. Foods that appeal to those in rajas are of extreme taste and result in unhappiness, misery and disease. The ones overcome by tamas indulge in stale, putrid, impure and leftover food which furthers their ignorance. Even the foods that are dear to each of them are of three kinds according to the three gunas, as also with sacrifice, austerity and charity. Now hear about these differences. The foods which promote life, energy, strength, health, happiness and satisfaction, which are juicy, succulent, nourishing and pleasing to the heart, such foods are liked by those in sattva. The foods that are bitter, sour, salty, excessively hot, pungent, dry and burning are liked by those in rajas. These are productive of pain, sorrow and disease. The foods which are stale, tasteless, stinking, rotten, leftover and impure are dear to those in tamas. आहारस्त्वपि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः यज्ञस्तपस्तथा दानं तेषां भेदमिमं शृणु. आयुस्सत्त्वबलारोग्य सुखप्रीतिविवर्धनाः रस्या स्निग्धा स्थिरा हृद्या आहाराः सात्विकप्रियाः. कट्वं ललवणात्युष्णा तीक्ष्णरूक्षविदाहिनः आहारा राजसस्येष्टा दुःखशोकामयप्रदाः. यातयामङ्गतरसं पूतिपर्युषितं च यत् उच्छिष्टमपि चामेध्यं भोजनं तामसप्रियम्. ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः. अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः. श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगः. आहारस्त्वपि सर्वस्य त्रिविधो भवति प्रियः यज्ञस्तपस्तथा दानं तेषां भेदमिमं शृणु. आयुस्सत्त्वबलारोग्य सुखप्रीतिविवर्धनाः रस्या स्निग्धा स्थिरा हृद्या आहाराः सात्विकप्रियाः. कट्वं ललवणात्युष्णा तीक्ष्णरूक्षविदाहिनः आहारा राजसस्येष्टा दुःखशोकामयप्रदाः. यातयामङ्गतरसं पूतिपर्युषितं च यत् उच्छिष्टमपि चामेध्यम् भोजनं तामसप्रियम् अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्यज्ञो विधिदृष्टो य युज्यते यष्टव्यमेवेति मनः समाधाय स सात्विकः Aphala akankshibhi, by the one not desiring any reward. Yajnaha, sacrifice or worship. Vidhidrashtaha, in accordance with scriptural injunctions. Yaha, which ijyate is offered. Yashtavyam, performed for its own sake. Eva, alone. Iti, thus. Manaha, mind. Samadhaya, having fixed. Saha, that. Satvikaha, of sattvic nature. Abhisandhayatu phalam, dambharthamapi chaivayat, ijyate bharata shrestha. Tam yajñam vidhi rajasam, abhisandhaya, expecting for. Tu, but. Phalam, fruits or results. Dambha, pride or ostentation. Artham, for the sake of. Api, also. Cha, and. Eva, indeed. Yat, that which. Ijyate, is offered or performed. Bharata Shrestha, O Arjuna, the best of the Bharatas. Tam, that. Yajñam, sacrifice or worship. Vidhi, no. Rajasam, of rajasic nature. Vidhihinam mantrahinam dakshinam Shraddha virahitam yajñam tamasam parichakshate. Vidhihinam, without regard for scriptural injunctions. Asrishta annam, without distribution of food. Mantrahinam, without chanting of mantras. Adakshinam, without gifts to priests. Shraddha, faith or sincerity. Virahitam, without. Yajñam, sacrifice or worship. Tamasam, of tamasic nature. Parichakshate, is said to be. The gunas influence how a yajna is performed. A sacrifice performed without the expectation of rewards and in accordance with the scriptures is a sattvic sacrifice. When a sacrifice is performed with an expectation of material rewards, it is rajasic in nature. In contrast, a yajna performed without sincerity and ignoring the rules laid down in the scriptures is tamasic. It symbolizes the ignorance of the seeker. A sacrifice that is offered by one without desiring any reward, that is in accordance with scriptural injunctions, and that is performed for its own sake with one's mind fixed on it, such a sacrifice is of sattvic nature. But a sacrifice that is offered with the expectation of fruits and also indeed for the sake of ostentation, O best of the Bharatas, know it to be of rajasic nature. A sacrifice that is performed without any regard for scriptural injunctions, without the distribution of food, without chanting of mantras, without gifts to priests, and without faith, such a sacrifice is said to be of tamasic nature. Aphalakankshibhiryajño vidhidrushto ya ijyate yashtavyameveti manaha samadhaya sa satvikaha. Abhisandhayatu phalam dambharthamapi chaiva yat ijyate bharata shrestha tam yajñam viddhi rajasam. Vidhihinamsrishtannam mantrahinamadakshinam shraddhavirahitam yajñam tamasam parichakshate. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगः। अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्यज्ञो विधिदृष्टो य युज्यते यष्टव्यमेवेति मनः समाधाय स सात्विकः। अभिसन्धाय तु फलं दम्भार्थमपि चैव यत् इज्यते भरतश्रेष्ठा तं यज्ञं विद्धि राजसम्। विधिहीनमसृष्टान्नं मन्त्रहीनमदक्षिणं श्रद्धाविरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्षते। देवद्विजगुरुप्राज्ञा पूजनं शौचमार्जवम् ब्रह्मचर्यमहिंसा च शारीरन्तप उच्यते। Deva, God; Dvija, Brahmana, the twice born; Guru, spiritual master; Prajna, the wise; Pujanam, worship of; Shaucham, cleanliness; Arjavam, simplicity or straightforwardness; Brahmacharyam, celibacy; Ahimsa, non-violence; Cha, also; Shariram, pertaining to the body; Tapaha, austerity; Uchyate, is said to be. Anudvegakaram vakyam satyam priyahitam cha yat swadhyayabhyasanam chaiva Vangmayam tapa uchyate. Anudvega, without agitation or distress; Karam, causing; Vakyam, words spoken; Satyam, truthful; Priya, loving or pleasant; Hitam, beneficial; Cha, and Yat, which; Swadhyaya, self-study or chanting of Vedas; Abhyasanam, the regular practice of; Cha, and Eva, verily; Vakmayam, of speech; Tapaha, austerity; Uchyate, is said to be. Manah prasada saumyatvam Maunamatma vinigraha Bhava samshuddhirityetat Tapo manasamuchyate. Manaha, mind; Prasadaha, serenity of; Saumyatvam, kindliness; Maunam, silence; Atma vinigraha, self-control; Bhava, feelings, motive or one's nature; Samshuddhihi, purity of; Iti, thus; Etat, these; Tapaha, austerity; Manasam, of the mind; Uchyate, is said to be. An ordinary life can become divine by the sincere practice of austerities of the body, speech, and mind. Such austerities include serving men of wisdom, practicing simplicity, non-violence, celibacy, reciting the scriptures, and speaking truthfully in a pleasant and unoffending manner to benefit the listener. Also, by mastering the mind, one can purify and silence it, thereby achieving mental peace, compassion, self-control, and purity of purpose. Worship of God, Brahmana, Guru, and the wise; also cleanliness, straightforwardness, celibacy, and non-violence; these are said to be the austerities pertaining to the body. Speaking words that do not cause distress to others, which are truthful, loving, and beneficial; and also verily the regular study and chanting of the Vedas, these are said to be the austerities of speech. Serenity of mind, kindliness, silence, self-control and purity of motive. These are said to be the austerities of the mind. देवद्विजगुरुप्राज्ञा पूजनं शौचमार्जवम् ब्रह्मचर्यमहिंसा च शारीरन्तप उच्यते। अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते। मनः प्रसादः सौम्यत्वं मौनमात्मविनिग्रहः भावसंशुद्धिरित्येतत् तपोमानसमुच्यते। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः श्रद्धात्रय विभागयोगः। देवद्विजगुरुप्राज्ञा पूजनं शौचमार्जवम् ब्रह्मचर्यमहिंसा च शारीरन्तप उच्यते। अनुद्वेगकरं वाक्यं सत्यं प्रियहितं च यत् स्वाध्यायाभ्यसनं चैव वाङ्मयं तप उच्यते। मनः प्रसादः सौम्यत्वं मौनमात्मविनिग्रहः भावसंशुद्धिरित्येतत् तपोमानसमुच्यते। श्रद्धया परया तप्तम् तपस्तत्त्रिविधं नरैः अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते। Shraddhaya, with faith or sincerity, Paraya, great, Taptam, practiced, Tapaha, austerity, Tat, that, Trividham, of three kinds, Naraihi, by persons, Aphala, Akankshibhihi, without desiring any fruits or rewards, Yuktaihi, those who are steadfast, Satvikam, of Sattva or Satvik, Parichakshate, is said to be. Satkaramana pujartham तपोदम्भेन चैव यत् क्रियते तदिह प्रोक्तम् राजसञ्चलमध्रुवम्। Satkara, praise or respect. Mana, honor. Puja, adoration. Artham, for the sake of. Tapaha, austerity. Dambhena, with ostentation. Cha, and. Eva, verily. Yat, which. Kriyate, is performed. Tat, that. Iha, here or in this world. Proktam, is said to be. Rajasam, of Rajas or Rajasic. Chalam, unstable. Adhruvam, transient. Moodhagrahenatmano yat पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्योत्सादनार्थं वा तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्। Moodha, deluded. Grahena, out of understanding. Atmanaha, of one's self or body. Yat, which. Pidaya, by torturing. Kriyate, is performed. Tapaha, austerity. Parasya, of others. Utsadana, harming or ruining. Artham, for the sake of. Va, or. Tat, that. Tamasam, of tamas or tamasic. Udahritam, is said to be. Austerities practiced sincerely by the devout ones without any expectation of rewards are said to be sattvic. Austerities practiced for the sake of gaining respect and reward are temporary and are of rajasic nature. Austerities performed by the ignorant ones, inflicting pain on themselves and others, are described as tamasic. When the three kinds of austerities are practiced by steadfast persons with great sincerity and without desiring any rewards, then they are said to be of sattva. When the austerities are performed in this world for the sake of gaining respect, honor and adoration, verily with ostentation, then they are said to be of rajas and are unstable and transient. When the austerities are performed out of deluded understanding for the sake of torturing and ruining one's own body or of others, then they are said to be of tamas. Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapastatrividhannaraihi aphalakankshibhiryuktaihi satvikam parichakshate. Satkaramana pujartham तपोदम्भेन चैव यत् क्रियते तदिह प्रोक्तम् राजसञ्चलमध्रुवम्। मूढग्राहेणात्मनो यत् पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्योत्सादनार्थं वा तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ सप्तदशोऽध्यायः श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगः। श्रद्धया परया तप्तं तपस्तत्त्रिविधन्नरैः अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते। सत्कारमानपूजार्थं तपोदम्भेन चैव यत् क्रियते तदिह प्रोक्तं राजसञ्चलमध्रुवम्। मूढग्राहेणात्मनो यत् पीडया क्रियते तपः परस्योत्सादनार्थं वा तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्। दातव्यमिति यद्दानम् दीयतेनुपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम्। Datavyam, to be given or to give is right, iti, with this idea, yat, that which, danam, charity, diyate, is given, anupakarine, without expecting a return or to one who cannot give in return, deshe, at a right place, kale, at a right time, cha, and patre, to a deserving person, cha, and tat, that or such, danam, charity, satvikam, of sattva or satvik, smritam, is considered to be. यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टम्। तद्दानं राजसं स्मृतम्। Yat, that which, tu, but, prati, in return, upakara, benefit or receiving, artham, for the sake of, phalam, result, uddishya, expecting, va, or punaha, again, diyate, is given, cha, and pariklishtam, reluctantly, tat, that or such, danam, charity, rajasam, of rajas or rajasic, smritam, is considered to be? Adeshakale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asat-kritam-avajñātam tat-tāmasam-udāhritam. Adesha kale, at a wrong place and time, yat, that which, danam, charity, apatrebhyah, to unworthy persons, cha, and diyate, is given, asat kritam, without respect, avajñātam, with disdain, tat, that or such, tamasam, of tamas or tamasic, udahritam, is said to be. Charity undertaken wholeheartedly to the deserving ones at the opportune time and place without expecting rewards is considered of sattva. However, charity done reluctantly with selfish motives is of rajas. When charity is provided disrespectfully and with contempt at a wrong place and time to the undeserving, it is said to be of tamas. Charity that is given solely with the idea that to give is right without expecting anything in return at a right place and time to a deserving person, such charity is considered to be of sattva. But charity that is given with the expectation of receiving something in return or for the sake of a result, or that which is done reluctantly, such charity is considered to be of rajas. Charity that is given at a wrong place and time to unworthy persons without any respect and with disdain, such charity is said to be of tamas. Dātavyamiti yaddanam diyate nupakarine deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam. Yattu pratyupakarartham phalamuddishya va punaha diyate cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smritam. Adeshakale yaddanam apatrebhyascha diyate asat-kritam-avajñātam tat-tāmasam-udāhritam. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Saptadashodhyayah Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yogaha. Dātavyamiti yaddanam diyate nupakarine deshe kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam. यत्तु प्रत्युपकारार्थं फलमुद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तद्दानं राजसंस्मृतम्। अदेशकाले यद्दानम् अपात्रेभ्यश्च दीयते असत्कृतमवज्ञातं तत्तामसमुदाहृतम्। ॐ तत्सदिति निर्देशो ब्रह्मणस्त्रिविधः स्मृतः ब्राह्मणास्तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च विहिताः पुरा Om, the absolute, Tat, that, Sat, real or eternal, Iti, this, Nirdeshaha, indication or symbolic representation, Brahmanaha, of Brahman, Trividhaha, threefold, Smritaha, have been declared, Brahmanaha, the knowers of Brahman, Tena, from them, Vedaha, scriptures, Cha, and Yajnaha, sacrifices, Cha, and Vihitaha, prescribed, Pura, since the ancient times or the beginning of creation. Tasmado mityudahritya Yajnadana-tapah kriyaah pravartante vidhanoktaah satatam brahmavadinam. Tasmat, therefore, Om, the syllable Om, Iti, thus, Udahritya, by chanting, Yajna, sacrifice, Dana, charity, Tapaha, austerity, Kriyaha, performing, Pravartante, begin, Vidhana, scriptural injunctions, Uktaha, in accordance with, Satatam, always, Brahmavadinam, the seekers or followers of Brahman. Tadityanabhisandhaya phalam yajnatapah kriyaah दानक्रियाश्च विविधाः क्रियन्ते मोक्षकाङ्क्षिभिः Tat, the syllable Tat, Iti, thus, Anabhisandhaya, without desiring, Phalam, the fruits or results, Yajna, sacrifice, Tapaha, austerity, Kriyaha, acts of, Dana, charity, kriyaha, acts of cha, and vividhaha, various, kriyante, are performed, moksha, liberation, kankshibhihi, by those who seek. Om is a symbolic representation of the eternal and formless Brahman who is beyond the realms of the gunas. The ones who understand this truth perform rituals, yajnas, and sacrifices by chanting Om Tat Sat. Such knowers of Brahman are liberated as they perform the austerities and charity without desiring any fruits of their actions. Since the very beginning of creation, the threefold words Om Tat Sat have been prescribed and declared to be the indications of Brahman. From them came the knowers of Brahman, the Vedas, and sacrifices. Therefore, when performing sacrifice, charity, or austerity in accordance with scriptural injunctions, the seekers of Brahman always begin by chanting the syllable Om. By uttering the syllable Tat, those who seek liberation perform the various acts of sacrifice, austerity, and charity without desiring the results. Om Tat Saditi Nirdesho Brahmanastrividha Smritaha Brahmanastena Vedascha Yajñāscha Vihitah Pura Tasmado Mityudahritya Yajñadana Tapah Kriyaha Pravartante Vidhanoktaha Satatam Brahmavadinam. Tadityanabhisandhaya phalam yajñatapah kriyaha dana kriyascha vividhaha kriyante moksha kankshibhihi. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Saptadashodhyayaha Shraddhatraya Vibhaga Yogaha. Om Tat Saditi Nirdesho Brahmanastrividha Smritaha Brahmanastena Vedascha Yajñāscha Vihitah Pura Tasmado Mityudahritya Yajñadana Tapah Kriyaha Pravartante Vidhanoktaha Satatam Brahmavadinam. Tadityanabhisandhaya phalam yajñatapah kriyaha dana kriyascha vividhaha kriyante moksha kankshibhihi. Sadbhave sadhubhave cha Sadityetat prayujyate प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्छब्दः पार्थ युज्यते। Sadbhave in the sense of the supreme reality or existence, Sadhu Bhave in the sense of goodness, Cha and Sat, the syllable Sat, Iti, thus, Etat, this, Prayujyate is used, Prashaste, auspicious, Karmani in the sense of actions, Tatha, so also, Sat Shabdah, the syllable Sat, Partha, O Arjuna, the son of Pritha, Yujyate is used. Yagnye tapasi dane cha sthiti saditi chochyate. कर्म चैव तदर्थीयम् सदित्येवाभिधीयते। यज्ञे in sacrifice, tapasi in austerity, dane in charity, cha and sthitihi steadiness or devotedness, sat eternal or the syllable sat, iti thus, cha also, uchyate is called karma action, cha and eva indeed, tat such or that, arthiyam for the sake of, sat the syllable sat, iti thus, eva also, abhidhiyate is indicated as. Ashraddhaya hutam dattam tapastaptam kritam cha yat asadityuchyate partha na cha tat pretya no iha. Ashraddhaya without faith or sincerity, hutam sacrifice offered, dattam charity given, tapaha austerity, taptam is practiced, kritam done, cha and yat whatever or that which, asat impermanent or false, iti thus, uchyate is called, partha O Arjuna the son of Pritha, na cha neither, tat that, pretya hereafter or in the next world, na u nor, iha here or in this world. The word Sat represents eternal existence and goodness. It also denotes any auspicious action that is prescribed by the scriptures and performed to the satisfaction of the Lord. On the contrary, spiritual austerities, even if performed meticulously but devoid of Shraddha, are called Asat. They do not ever redeem. The syllable Sat signifies the supreme reality and goodness, O son of Pritha. So also, it is used in the sense of auspicious actions. Steadiness in sacrifice, austerity, and charity is also called Sat, and indeed Any action done for the sake of that is also indicated by the syllable Sat. O son of Pritha, whatever sacrifice is offered, or whatever charity is given, or whatever austerity is practiced without Shraddha, it is called Asat. It is of use neither here nor hereafter. Sadbhave sadhubhave cha sadityetat prayujyate प्रशस्ते कर्मणि तथा सच्छब्दः पार्थयुज्यते। यज्ञे तपसि दाने च स्थितिः सदिति चोच्यते कर्म चैव तदर्थीयम् सदित्येवाभिधीयते। अश्रद्धया हुतं दत्तं तपस्तप्तं कृतं च यत् असदित्युच्यते पार्थ न च तत्प्रेत्य नो इह। ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगो नाम सप्तदशोऽध्यायः। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।